James O. Ellis Jr. was born July 20th, 1947 in Spartanburg, South Carolina. He is the son of Jim and Mary Ellis and was raised with his brothers Joe and Don. Jim Sr. was an aviator and Corsair pilot at the end of World War II and made the Navy a career. Growing up at naval air stations and smitten by the space race, Jim aspired to follow his father's footsteps. He felt the Naval Academy was the best place to begin. At the Academy, Jim was involved in the rugby club, plebe gymnastics, the debate team, and on the staff for the Trident calendar. During his first class year, he was the 2nd Regiment Commander, Fall Set, and the 6th Battalion Commander, Spring Set. The lucky bag noted his sheer determination eliminated the possibility of a permanent stumbling block. Jim's sights are set on a Navy career where he is certain to leave his mark. After graduating with a Bachelor of Science degree in Aeronautical Engineering, Jim completed flight school and was designated a naval aviator in 1971. His early career as a fighter pilot included tours with several fighter squadrons, attendance at the Naval Fighter Weapons School, Top Gun, and assignment as the commanding officer of the 1st East Coast FA-18 Strike Fighter Squadron. After graduating from Navy Test Pilot School, he participated in aircraft carrier landing structural tests of aircraft and related systems. He completed nuclear power training and then served tours as Executive Officer of the USS Carl Vinson and Commanding Officer of USS LaSalle, forward base in Manama, Bahrain. Next, he assumed command of USS Abraham Lincoln in 1991, where he participated in Operation Desert Storm during the Lincoln's maiden voyage in the Western Pacific and Arabian Gulf. After his promotion to Rear Admiral in 1996, he served as Commander, Carrier Battle Group 5, leading contingency response operations in the Taiwan Straits. Ashore, he was assigned military staff tours directing operations for the U.S. Atlantic Fleet and as Deputy Chief of Naval Operations for Plans, Policy, and Operations. He then served as Commander-in-Chief, U.S. Naval Forces Europe, and during the 1999 Kosovo crisis, where he led the United States and NATO forces in combat and humanitarian operations as Commander-in-Chief, Allied Forces Southern Europe. In his final active duty assignment, Admiral Ellis served as Commander, United States Strategic Command at Offutt Air Force Base, Nebraska. He was responsible for the global command and control of U.S. strategic forces to meet decisive national security objectives and provided a broad range of strategic capabilities and options for the President and Secretary of Defense. In 2004, Admiral Ellis completed a 39-year Navy career during a time of great challenge and change. Among his many military awards, he received 3 Defense Distinguished Service Medals, 2 Navy Distinguished Service Medals, 4 Legions of Merit, and the Defense Meritorious Service Medal. He earned a master's degree in aeronautical systems from the University of West Florida. He also holds a master's degree in aerospace engineering from Georgia Tech and was inducted into the school's Engineering Hall of Fame in 2005. After 7 years at its helm, Admiral Ellis retired as President and Chief Executive Officer of the Institute of Nuclear Power Operations in 2012. He serves on the Board of Directors of Lockheed Martin and Dominion Resources and is Chairman of the Board of Level 3 Communications. In 2013, he was elected to the National Academy of Engineering for advanced nuclear safety around the world. Jim has generously supported the Naval Academy through his service on the Chief of Naval Operations Curriculum Advisory Committee and the Academy Selection Committee for Senator Saxby Chambliss of Georgia and a President's Circle donor. Jim is married to Elizabeth Pate Cornell and has 2 children, Patrick and Lauren, and 4 grandchildren. Jim says that he was incredibly fortunate to have 5 opportunities to command. For 3 of those, he was lucky enough to be there at the beginning, to be a part of bringing an organization to life. As part of the commissioning crew, he helped create capabilities important to the nation, shaping its standards, culture, and reputation. He was proud to be there at the start of those journeys that continue today. Admiral James O. Ellis Jr., an aviator and heroic leader who guided our armed services and nation to a better future.